Chat GPT, Chat GPT, Chat GPT. I mean, unless you are living under a rock, then clearly over the last couple of days, you must have heard how this is the next best thing since human invention started. Well, in case you think Chat GPT is all that, then you are wrong, because in this video, I will tell you why using Chat GPT is a terrible idea. But before I tell you why using Chat GPT is a terrible idea, let's get some facts straight. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Enewerume Content Queen, and on this channel I show you apps and software that will make you more productive and bring more money to your pockets. So if this sounds like what you like or what you need, then don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my videos. Thank you for leaving comments, and thank you for showing me such massive support. I am extremely thankful to you guys. Now, if you are a returning subscriber and you've missed my previous videos, it means you did not turn on the notification bell, so you need to turn on the notification bell right away. And then let's get started with stating some facts about Chat GPT. Fact 1: Chat GPT is OpenAI's new chatbot that can answer questions and write essays. Fact 2: OpenAI was founded in 2015, and it took just 5 days for the new chatbot, which is ChatGPT, to reach 1 million users. How crazy is that? Now, fact 3 is what is mind blowing. And fact 3 states that you can use ChatGPT to write essays, to write articles, to write blog posts, to write product reviews and descriptions, cookbooks, and recipes. Now, all these are ways you can make money online anywhere you are in the world. So, yes, you can use ChatGPT to make money online. Fact 4, which is probably the most interesting part, is that ChatGPT is free to use. So this is basically a free chatbot that you can have conversations with, and then we'll just see how ChatGPT works practically. So come with me. So the first thing you want to do is to click on the link in my description and then click sign up. Once you've clicked sign up, the next thing you want to do is to fill in all your details, which I will just do quickly. Fill in your details, then you verify your account via your email, and then a code will be sent to your mobile number. So just make sure that it is a mobile number that is functioning and handy. And then when they send you the code, you just fix in the code, and then your account is activated. So I'll just do that quickly and we'll move to the next stage. All right, so the account has been created, and then we can see examples of what ChatGPT can do. And we can also see examples. Yeah, those are the examples there. We can see the capabilities, what it can do. It can remember what the user said earlier in the conversation. It allows user to provide follow-up corrections, which is why I said you can chat with the chatbot. And then it is trained to decline inappropriate requests, and these are the limitations here. May occasionally generate incorrect information, may accidentally produce harmful instruction or biased content, and limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. So I guess you can now see why I said Chat GPT is not all that. Well, let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm just going to type a very simple topic to test out how this chat GPT works. So I'll be typing how to make money online in 2023, which is a very valid topic, and I'm trying to get a blog post out of it. Now you can see that this is the bot generating results for me. I am not typing absolutely anything. Like, this is not me typing. I just put in the question and then this is the result the chatbot is giving me. So yeah, I like the result, and I'm going to click on that edit button there, then I'll save and continue. When I click save and continue, it's going to generate more content based on the previous one that I like. All right, so this is a listicle this time around because I actually want a blog content, right? And it's giving me a listicle, so which is actually very helpful. And then, like I did for the previous one, I'm still going to also like this one and then generate more content. Now, there is something you have to know about using AI. In as much as you want to use AI, you absolutely need to be careful because there is a tendency for AI to repeat the results it has given you before. And I'm going to explain to you why this is a very terrible idea if you rely solely on using this chat GPT. In as much as it is good, it is great, people are talking about it, I will not advise you to use it totally, like rely on it. You can use it to generate maybe title ideas or listicles just as this one has done, but then you have to be really careful. So I'm just going to wait for the third results to come out and just see what it gives me, and then I'm going to compare it to the previous results. And then when I compare it, you would see that there are repetitions because obviously this is AI, and like it said, it is not going to give you any information that is beyond 2021, and we are in 2022 currently. Maybe by the time you watch this video we'll be in 2023. So is that the kind of AI result you want? Something that is not even current. So you need to have a rethink if you feel like, oh, Chat GPT has come to save you, or that AI has come to collect your job as a writer or as a blogger. So we see number 2 and 3 here. And when we scroll back, we can see it in number 2 and number 7. So you can see that there is a clear repetition of what was provided as an answer before, which is why you have to read through every search result that is given to you. Read through and make sure that you are okay with what you want. Edit yourself because you still need human input. Okay, so I'm going to type in another topic that says how to make money online as a writer in Nigeria. That's what I'm going to type now. I want a different result, and I want to see if it will give me something different from what it has been giving me before. So, like I said, AI cannot take away your job because at the end of the day, you still need to put in human effort in writing. Like you need to put in human effort, especially if you are a blogger or if you are writing for someone's blog. You need to put in that human effort, right? So I'm going to click on this search button and just see what it will generate for me. How to make money online as a writer in Nigeria. And then these are the results coming out here. It's still giving me listicles. I could as well just type after this particular result and say, can I have this in 1,000 word blog post or 500 word blog post, and just see what the result is. But I didn't do that because I'm trying to save time and I'm trying not to make this video as lengthy as my other videos because I want you to watch it till the end. So if you are watching up to this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video and share with your friends, and it really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much, guys. So after waiting for Chat GPT to generate content for me or generate answers for me, what I'm going to do next is to check with a paid plagiarism checker, and I'm using Copyscape. As you can see, Copyscape, I have Copyscape premium credits there. So I'm just going to copy the results here from a particular question because I don't want to copy everything, right? I'm just going to copy a particular question and then go back to my Copyscape premium plan and then put it in to see if really it can detect any form of plagiarism. Like this is the real test of how effective this AI tool is, because if you are writing for your blog or you're writing for someone else's blog, you don't want to have any issues with plagiarism, especially if your blog has Google AdSense, because we know how Google flags um such posts, especially when it comes out as spammy, and then you'll not be able to make money from AdSense. So you need to be really careful. I'm just going to paste what I copied and then try to get the results for you to see. So as you can see here, this particular result brought out two plagiarism results, and then you would see the title of the particular blog post is saying there is plagiarism from, and then you would also see the link to that website or that blog. So what we can do is to click on it, and then it will just open up in detail and show us the exact words that were copied, right? So you can also see that I used my um plagiarism credit to check, to show you that this is not a fluke, right? This is something I did for real. And then I'll just show you guys what it is. So it's saying that the comparison below was created by Copyscape, which checked 179 words of the pasted text, and then this page below has 45 words matching 26% of the text as highlighted by Copyscape. So this is the particular blog post it was taken from, and then it's just going to show me in highlights all the words that were copied. So now that you've seen all the highlighted words, this is why using Chat GPT is a terrible idea. Number one, not only is it going to repeat answers for you, two, it is not going to give you SEO best practices, and you need SEO practices. If you want to understand what SEO practices are, click on the link above as I show you how to write articles using Yoast SEO. And finally, it is not going to be plagiarism free. As you can see here already, you need to learn how to write articles that are plagiarism free, which is why I have provided another link for you to check out on how to write articles that are plagiarism free 100% and write them very, very fast. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me questions in the comments, leave me your feedback. I would love to hear from you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.